Hello everyone, welcome to episode 5 of my Yao tips and tricks series, and this one will be about useful 4-move triggers to help you solve your last cross edge. So let's get into it. So what I see many people doing is that they will solve their last cross edge, then take it out, realign centers, and then insert it. But that is really inefficient. So I'm going to show a trigger that can help you do that faster and insert without realigning your centers every time. Okay, so here I have these 3 cross edges that need to be solved, and they need to go here. So how I can solve this is by first doing R2 to move this over, then U wide 2 to solve these 2, and then finally hedge the last one in, and then pairing it up. So instead of taking it out and then realigning centers and then inserting, so from here, instead of doing that, you can just do R prime, F prime, R, F to put it into your cross and not disrupt your centers at all. Okay, so the same concept can be applied to when you have to insert into the right. So for this, there are actually 2 triggers that I will show, and then you can pick whichever one you like. So here, you can just do F, R, F prime, R prime to solve that. And the second trigger is R, U prime, R2 to solve that. And those both don't disrupt your centers at all. Now I will point out a cool trick when it comes to the R prime F, the RF triggers. So you can actually set up your first edge using that, because when you are doing the insertion into the right side, whatever here will just be like that, except with your centers aligned, of course. So pay attention to this and these 2 wings. So if I insert it, they basically went from here to here. So that concept can be used to set up your first edge. So like here, I have these 2 paired, and then this midge has to go here. So I can easily just move this here and then do that trigger and then go straight into pairing that, and then continue from there. Now that same concept with if you're inserting the cross edge into the front face or front FD position here. So whatever here is basically just going to move down like that. So I see this this block here, and the last edge is right here, and this needs to go here. So I can just move this piece over, do that, and then pair it up, and then continue from there, and so on. So that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching.